What is up YouTube, it's your channel YTV and I'm back with another episode. Today we have a topic about New York rapper Jay-Z. Rapper's 1996 Reasonable Doubt debuted turned 25 on June 25 and the Rock Nation mogul has been commemorating the milestone in a myriad of ways. Not only did Jay-Z release an non-fungible token NFT of the project, he also gifted 25 people who helped make the album possible with special diamond pendants. DJ Premier, who provided production on The Evil's Friend or Foe and Bring It On featuring Big J and Sauce Money, shared an Instagram photo last week boasting a handwritten note from Jay-Z and one of them pendants sitting on top of a soundboard. The note reads, "To Primo, the best behind the beat, Jay-Z." Premier added in the caption, "Very special indeed, thanks Jay. 25th anniversary of Reasonable Doubt." Reasonable Doubt debuted at number 23 on the Billboard 200 upon its release and remained on the chart for 18 weeks. Lead singles include Can't Knock the Hustle and more. Today we have also another interesting topic about Beanie Sigel and Jay-Z. In a recent interview with the Revolt's Drink Champs podcast featuring co-host Nore and DJ Irfan, Sigel revealed he passed up on opportunity to beat Jay-Z in the 90s because he wanted to bet on an illegal dogfight. While breaking down his battle rap background, which led to his mainstream come-up, Beanie Sigel touched on how bubonic from the 90s rap group Phillies both wanted essentially strong-armed him into getting a record deal with Jay-Z and Rock outfit at the time. "So we wound up battling in the crib," he said. "Well, I wouldn't call it a battle, we just started going in and bubonic was crazy with it, but my man Murdermill, he had a thing about them. So when we rap and it was over, he pulled me to the side and we exchanged numbers. I'm like, yo, you're hot. So he told me, he was like, yo, we got a meeting with Rockefeller. I mean, they had deals on the table like black and white." So thank you guys for watching. It's your channel YTV. If you like the videos and content, subscribe to the channel, also get the notification bells, and don't forget to visit website hipopty.com. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.